No? Sa ating talakayan po ngayon ay bago na naman po yung ating talakayan. So nag-discuss na po ako sa mga basic logic gates po. So ngayon i-introduce ko po yung isa sa mga universal gates na ginagamit po ng mga engineer. So ngayon, meron po akong katanungan dito. What if a gate can perform and roll all other gates? So, sa inyong notebook, pwede po yan ilagay yung answer po niyo. So, discusses with the advantage that it could bring in designing circuits. So, malaki ba yung papel na ginapanan o malaki ba yung advantage kung i-combine po natin yung mga basic logic gates? So, ngayon, from your answer, we saw how a simple change adding a not after an and completely flips the outcome. So this is exactly how the NAND gate works. It is a combination of a NAND followed by a NOT. And what makes it more powerful is that engineer called it a universal gates because we can build every other gates from it. So yung NAND gate po natin pwede po yan ma-combine pala. So our topic for today's discussion is all about universal gates NAND. For the objectives po ay ating explain ang function ng ating NAND gate. Tsaka pwede po natin i-construct yung truth table at identify the applications in digital circuits. So ito po yung function ng ating NAND gate, no? Combination po yan ng NOT at tsaka yung AND. Expression po yan ay nakakombine din yung expression ng NOT at saka yung expression din ng AND gate. So, kung ating babalikan yung ating AND gate is A times B. Okay? So, yung rule po niya is outcome is the opposite of AND. Bakit kaya? Kasi mayroon po siyang NOT gate. So, kung nakikita po yung sa ating symbol dito ay yung AND gate at saka yung NOT gate, kung i-combine po yan, nagiging NAND gate. So, yung symbol po niya is NAND gate symbol times the and small bubble or the inversion. Ito po yung symbol ng ating NOT gate. So, makikita po yan sa ating truth table, yung A, okay, times B, ito, tsaka yung ating output. So, kung 0 times 0, nagiging 0. Pero, dadaan po siya sa NOT gate, nagiging 1 na po siya, yung output natin. 0, 1, nagiging 0 po siya, kasi yung operator is times, pero, naka-invert, dadaan po siya sa NOT gate, magiging 1 po siya, or naka-turn on, or true. The same principle din sa kung turn on po yung A, turn off yung B, nagiging turn off po yung ating AND gate. Pero dadaan po siya sa NOT gate, nagiging 1. 1, tsaka yung 1, nagiging 1 or turn on. Pero dadaan po siya sa NOT gate, nagiging 0 na po siya. So, bakit kaya tinatawag siya na universal or pwede po siya magagamit sa lahat ng mga sa lahat ng mga motherboards ng mga engineer? Kasi ang NAND gate is called a universal gate because you can build any other gates and or not nor XOR and XNOR using only NAND gates. Kasi kung i-combine po natin yung mga NAND gates, pwede po the same po yung principle ng OR, NOT, at saka yung NOR and XOR and XOR and XNOR. So yung application po niya ay pwede po natin magagamit sa digital system because cheaper na po yung ating pag-design ng mga engineer kasi pwede po siya mako-combine. Unlike po kung i-manual po natin yung mga gates na ipiprint ng ating motherboard, yung possibility po niya is hindi po efficient yung ating design, tsaka maraming pong fault, or worse, magiging short circuit po ang ating mga motherboards. Common po yung IC na ginagamit po natin sa Tinkercad ay 7400. Pili po natin yan ma-apply sa computers, alarm at security systems. Yan, pwede po yan magagamit po yung ating NAND gate at error detection circuits and arithmetic logic units or halos. So meron po tayong simulation po sa ating Tinkercad. Punta po tayo sa ating Tinkercad po natin. Right, so ito po yung Tinkercad natin. As you can see, kung i-start po natin yung simulation, i-turn off po natin muna. Okay, so kung i-turn on po natin yung dalawang A tsaka yung B, itagal natin sa left. So naka-turn off po siya kasi naka-invert. Kung i-turn on po natin yung A, nagta-turn on din yung ating output. I-turn off natin yung A, tsaka yung B naman, naka-turn on po yung ating B. So ito po yung ating NAND gate, tsaka yung IC po natin na ginagamit ay 7400. Tsaka yung pag-wiring po nito is yung VCC. Alright, so pin 16 po yung VCC or pasukan ng 5 volts po natin na battery. Hindi, yung IC. Tsaka yung output po natin is yung pin number 3. Okay, pin number 3. Papunta po siya sa ating resistor na 1K ohms. Tsaka pupunta naman sa ating output or ating LED. So, yan po yung ating NAND gate. Pwede po yan i-replicate po ninyo using Tinkercad. Ipipaste ko po yung ating link sa ating channel, yung ating NAND gate po sa ating Tinkercad. Okay, so what does a NAND gate outputs when both inputs are 1? So, nag-invert po siya, magiging 0. Why is NAND gate considered a universal gate? Kasi ito yung ginagamit ng mga engineer para mabuo yung efficient na PCB or motherboards ng ating mga appliances. Tsaka, application po ng NAND gate ay pwede po siya gamitin sa mga mobile phones tsaka yung ating computers. Now, for our group task po ay kailangan po kayo mag-construct ng truth table of NAND gate. Show how to form a NOT gate using NAND only. And draw and present on Manila paper or cartolina. Para naman sa individual tasks, why math engineer prefers using NAND gate in integrate circuit rather than a mix of many types. So, ang ating assessment, number 1, what is the correct expression of NAND gate? So, bigyan ko kayo ng 10 segundo para mag-answer.
Is that true?
Okay, true or false? NAND gate outputs 1 when both inputs are 1. At huli ng assessment ay fill in the blanks. The NAND gate is called a blank gate because it can form all other gates. Okay, time is up. Let's check. So, yung answer po ng ating multiple choice ay letter C. Yan po yung expression ng NAND gate. Number 2 is false kasi ma-invert po siya. And number 3 is universal. So, yung reflection po natin is intrinsic minimum right of reflection. What new things did I learn about NAND gate as a universal gate? How can I connect ideas of NAND gate to our resourcefulness in real life? Now, sa ating challenge, like a NAND gate, be versatile, able to adapt and create solutions in any situation. Just as a NAND gate can perform all other gates, your creativity and values can shape countless solution in both technology and life. So, yan po yung ating discussion sa NatGate, and salamat po sa pakikinig.